on to the start here section. So obviously, like the name says, this is where you're going to start. So when you click, you will land on the welcome page. Basically, here you have a little welcome word. Here you'll find the full guided tour of the video, which is also accessible from the PDF that you'll have here. You will be able to click once I put the video together. And here, a quick explanation of the codes that I've used for the tables. So then it's a little bit easier for you to get a hold of the Notion software, because it can be a little overwhelming, especially when you don't know how to use it. So basically here I explain, like at the top of each table, when you're going to see that, usually it means that the first use for that table is this, but you can always modify, change it, whatever. But this is the primary use that I see for that table. So then it's a little bit easier for you. Here we have some resources. So you have the Notion 101 page. Basically, this is a page where I will be putting some easy tutorials about Notions, how to get the hang of it, how to create new pages, table views, how to personalize and customize your page, all of the things for you to be able to enjoy Notion to the fullest. Here you have a guided book or tour, in a way, in a PDF format, where basically I explain to you step by step the things that you need. I explain a little bit more details. Those are stuff that you've seen on social media, on the Etsy shop, if you like roamed around. But yeah, this is just a recap of everything that I'm going to tell you in the video, just so you get, you know, the hang of all the sections. And then here you'll be able to click to see the specific tutorial for that section. But you know, those are informations. I thought it would be nice to have a PDF version as well. And here you have a bonus, which is the access to the dark covers for your Icee planner. So in case you didn't know, you have the option to have it in light mode or in dark mode. The way you can do that, you just have to click on Shift, Command, and L to switch from dark to light mode. And then when you see like that, it's a little bit better to have covers that matches the tone and the mood. So if you want to change them, I have made some available for you. It is up to you, but know that it's accessible in the Start Here section. So I prefer mine in a light mode. And then the last thing you're going to find on the Start Here page is all the a detail of each section, because I really want you to understand the essence and the feel of this planner and how it will be beneficial for you and why it was built that way. That's it for the discovery of the Start Here page. Next thing we're gonna see is the mindset section.